You're on.
Hello, and today we're making a special cocktail still with rum. And we have a lovely guest who didn't want to be on camera. No, my guests want to be on cameras, but they're there and they're enjoying the cocktails. And today the cocktail is chicken food, which is a variation of a Vodoo Cocktail. The joke that authors of the cocktails made is that depending on whether you are actually in a zombie apocalypse will define how much rum goes into it. Since we're not in a zombie apocalypse just yet, we go with a bit of a lighter version. So we go with, we have amber rum, and in our case it's a Jamaican Smith and Cross, which is a bit of a strong rum as well. We have apple juice. I didn't squeeze it myself, I hope you forgive me. I did squeeze lime juice. We have simple syrup, which is equal parts sugar and water. And here we have a special ingredient in a very obscure jar. But actually it's a sweet vermouth that was infused with cardamom and cinnamon. I just heat up cardamom and cinnamon, and then I put it in sweet vermouth and I let it stand for a day. And now it smells fantastically of the herbs. Okay, let's keep building. Let's start building. We have 4 ounces of apple juice. It's not that often that I see apple juice as an ingredient in a cocktail. So it's quite exciting actually. 4 ounces in. We've got 1 ounce of lime juice. Freshly squeezed. 1 ounce of simple syrup. And mine is with brown sugar, so that's why it looks so dark. That goes in. And 1 ounce of our sweet vermouth. So if you're just using regular vermouth, you get a Vodoo Cocktail. Do you want to smell? Come and smell. And we have 1.5 ounce of... She's drinking. You give them to smell and they just drink the whole thing. 1.5 ounce of amber rum. There we are. And we'll put in some ice. This is all ice I've got. Close the shaker. It's talking. And then we've got a raw glass with ice in it. So I'll give 1 portion to our honorable guest. And I'll let you know what she thinks about it if she has a smell, but let's try this. It's a chicken food. What do you think?
Very delicious.
It's very delicious. I agree. I did not expect apple juice to be so nice in a cocktail, but chicken food it is, and I'm glad it's not zombie apocalypse just yet. Cheers.